Hey folks, scattered showers across the valley today. Nothing real heavy, but at least not the last hour or two. But you can see what's out there now, especially in the upper valley. Not much in Willacy or Cameron counties, but you get to Hidalgo County, right along I-69C and westward. Some, again, brief showers. Starr County quieting down at the moment. Zoom out just a little bit, and you'll notice we've also seen some stuff up around Falcon Lake and up into Laredo. A couple of bolts of lightning up there, but not much down here as far as that goes. And if you look at the satellite picture, you can see there's a fairly decent cloud mass over parts of South Texas. That's the upper air low, well removed from Marco and Laura. It has nothing to do with that. It's an upper air disturbance that's right on top of us and will still be in the area tomorrow. So I think there's still the shot at a shower thunderstorm tomorrow. See that little system right here really reaches kind of down into the southwestern Gulf. But look how Marco looked yesterday. Really impressive for a time. Was a hurricane for about 12 hours or so, but now the center's here. All the rain's up there. Not well organized at all anymore, and that's the shear we talked about last week as it comes across. These strong upper level winds blow all the clouds and the rain off to the northeast, and the thing comes apart and unravels. In the meantime, Laura getting better organized, and that shear will be gone by the time Laura gets into the Gulf of Mexico, so we don't see the same thing happening with Laura. In fact, we think Laura will intensify. So here's the latest on Marco right now, about 15 miles southeast, east-southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi, right near the Louisiana coast. And it's going to kind of go right up to the west-northwest. By the time you get to tomorrow afternoon, to the west of Baton Rouge, and then it gets into Texas, and that's the end of that. It's going to fall apart very quickly as it moves into extreme East Texas. There won't be much left at all. In fact, most of the rain staying over here, just a little bit of it kind of working its way into East Texas. There's Houston down there. Now let's talk about Laura down here for a second. Laura, not all that strong at the moment, 60-mile-per-hour winds, but watch what happens. Once it gets past Cuba, tomorrow afternoon winds up to 70. By the time you get to early in the morning on Wednesday, you're up to 85 miles per hour, a Category 1 hurricane by that point. Models coming into better agreement. We'll show you in just a second on taking this up into the northern Gulf and probably somewhere near Lake Charles by early in the morning on Thursday as a Category 2 hurricane. Houston is kind of right on the edge of the window over there, and New Orleans is out of the window for this one. So we think it'll be west of New Orleans, probably east of Houston, then going northward from there and turning back to the northeast as a rainmaker and then falling apart over the Smokies by the time we get to the weekend. Here are the models. The red one is the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center. Some of the European models still take it farther to the west. Here's also, you can see both tropical storms. Here's Marco. This is Laura coming up in this direction. Eventually, though, it all goes to the north and back out to the northeast and out in the North Atlantic, and that'll be the end of that. As far as we're concerned here, satellite again showing patchy clouds. And I think during the daytime tomorrow, spotty showers, even a thunderstorm, still possible as an upper disturbance kind of hangs out over the area for another day or two. But after that, we get wrapped up kind of in the outside influence of the tropical activity, and that really dries us out. We drop it back to a 10% chance of rain, and with that, it gets hot. Right now, it's not bad for mid-August, late August. It's 89 in Wesco, 91 McAllen. We look at tomorrow's highs, a little bit warmer than today, about a 30% chance for a thunderstorm. But look what happens after that. After being 95 tomorrow, we're 98 Wednesday and back over 100 on Thursday. That's not a record, but it's certainly above average for this time of year. So for tonight, 75, just a slight chance for a shower, thunder shower overnight. Tomorrow, the rain chance stands at about 30%, a shower, maybe a thunderstorm in spots. Your high tomorrow around 95 degrees. Again, temperatures go up from there, 101 by Thursday, and we keep in that neighborhood into Friday. Another little disturbance comes in over the weekend, so we put the chance of rain back in there right now at about 30% for Saturday and Sunday. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.